How to fix type error, cannot read properties of undefined, reading user in next.js? Encountering a type error, cannot read properties of undefined, reading user in next.js can be frustrating. This error typically occurs when you attempt to access the user property from an undefined object, particularly in the context of React.js and Next.js applications often using authentication libraries such as next-auth. Common causes. Uninitialized state. The most frequent cause of this error is trying to access the user property before the state or context is properly initialized. Improper async function handling. Asynchronous data fetching not properly completed before the component renders. Incorrect data flow. Mismatch between the expected data structure and the actual data. Step-by-step solution. 1. Check initial state. Ensure that your state is properly initialized. For example, if you're using React State to manage the user object, it should have a default value. Two. Check conditional rendering. Ensure proper conditional checks before accessing the user property. 3. Verify async function handling. Ensure that asynchronous operations complete before rendering dependent components. Four. Check next-auth integration. If you're using next-auth, ensure that the session context is correctly set up and available. Conclusion. Handling type error, cannot read properties of undefined, reading user involves ensuring that your data is properly initialized, conditionally accessed, and that asynchronous operations are correctly handled. By following the recommended steps above, you can safeguard your next.js application from such common errors.